So I'm sitting here working on a project. Don't mind my tin snips. But I've taken this old frame that was pretty and matted, and actually I found it on the side of the road. It was a piece of junk, and I'm turning it into a treasure for myself. So I just took off everything that was on the frame on the inside, sanded, and I chalk painted the actual frame. Now what I'm doing is I'd found poultry netting for all of you peoples. I went looking for chicken wire, but apparently that was not politically correct, and at Walmart it is called poultry netting. So what I'm doing, and I know it might look a little excessive, but just hear me out. I'm pushing and stapling. Pushing. Oh, God, and stapling. Don't screw up like that. You'll redo. Push, staple. Get the picture, huh? So after that, you've got your trusty tin snippers, pippers, whatever you want to call these stupid things. All right. All I did was fold this whole thing back so it was easier to access. And I'm going in and I'm trying my best to cut below the frame edge, straight across. Okay, so after you cut it all off, all I'm going to do is, see how some of these wires are higher? We're just going to push them. I got my little jewelry pliers, and I'm just going to wrap them down. As easy as I can. Which also kind of puts a loop around the staple. A lot of them I tried to get as close as possible. They're not sticking up, I'm not dealing with them. They're not above the thing. I mean, and that just for all you technical folks out there, if it ain't pretty in the back, why does it matter? Okay. Now, the only thing that I found was a problem was it's not very wide enough, but it was okay. We could deal with it. So, what am I doing with this, you ask? Let's find out. Okay, so here we go. I make earrings. And I wanted a cool way to display my work. These are just a few. But there's my DIY for the day.